Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to organize your ServiceMate queues exactly the way you want them. By default, ServiceMate sorts your queues alphabetically. While this is helpful for searching, you open your most critical folders like Action Required or Pending Approval to stay at the very top, regardless of their name. Many businesses use queues as a workflow pipeline. If you rely solely on alphabetical sorting, your workflow paces can end up out of order. While some users use numbering, like this, to force an order, there is actually a way to reorder them manually without changing their names. To begin, scroll to the far right until you reach the end of your queue list. You will see this small icon here at the end. So we click this one and then select Set Custom Order. You will now see your entire list of queues in a single view. To move a queue, hover your cursor over the 6-dot icon on the left side. Simply click, drag and drop the queue into the preferred position. Then click Save. So as you can see, the queue has now moved to its new position, regardless of its alphabetical name. If you need to change the order back, simply repeat the process, scroll right, click this button here, Set Custom Order, drag the icon back to its original spot, and then click Save. So it's now back to its original position. Go ahead and test this out on your end to streamline your workflow. Do you have any other questions on how to use ServiceMate to its full potential? Drop them in the comments below and we'll check them out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.